The Format Painter offers an easy way to copy formatting from one part of your spreadsheet to another. This is one way to ensure that things stay consistent without spending a lot of time trying to replicate your formatting manually. In this example, our dates have very inconsistent formatting. In addition to the fonts and alignment being inconsistent, they also use a variety of different date formats. Some use a long date, others use a short date without the year, and so on. I want all of these to match the formatting of the first date. To do this, just click the Format Painter command on the Home tab, and it will copy all of the formatting from the selected cell. Then we'll click and drag over the other dates, and now all of them are perfectly consistent. Now you can also double-click the Format Painter, which will lock it on until you turn it off. For example, if we click this pink cell, then double-click the Format Painter, we can click on as many cells as we want, and the Format Painter will stay on. This is an easy way to highlight several non-adjacent cells where clicking and dragging isn't an option. When you use the double-clicking method, you'll need to make sure to click the Format Painter again when you're done to turn it off. So there are really two ways to use the Format Painter: single-clicking and double-clicking. And you can just use whichever one is more convenient depending on the situation.
Goodwill Community Foundation, creating opportunities for a better life.